In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an alias in Gmail, which is perfect for a complete beginner looking to streamline their email usage. Adding an alias can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you manage multiple email addresses for various purposes but want to handle them all from a single Gmail inbox. To start off, the process allows you to send emails from another address while still using one primary Gmail account. This is a fantastic way to keep everything organized without the hassle of switching back and forth between different accounts. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to set this up. First, you'll want to log into your Gmail account where you'd like to manage all your email addresses from. Once you're in your inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your entry point to a wide range of settings that Gmail offers. Click on the gear icon and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new window filled with different options you can adjust. Now navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This tab is your go-to for managing how and from where you're sending emails. Under this tab, you'll see a section titled Send Mail As. Here, you'll want to find and click on Add Another Email Address. This option will allow you to link a new email that can be used as an alias for sending email. Next, a small window will pop up prompting you to add the new email address. This might be another Gmail account, a business email, or any other email you frequently use. After entering the email address, click Next Step to proceed. Gmail will then initiate a verification process. This is where you'll need to prove that you have access to the email address you wish to add. Gmail will send a verification code or a link to that address. Head over to that email's inbox and find the verification email from Gmail. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have successfully verified your new email address, it becomes a selectable option when you're composing an email. You'll notice a From drop-down menu in the Compose window. This is where you can select which email address to send from, giving you the flexibility and professionalism to communicate through the right account for the right situation. Additionally, Gmail allows you not just to send, but also to check mail from another Gmail account if needed. You can set this up under Check Mail from Other Accounts, and then click Add a Mail Account to bring in emails from an external account.